I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get every suit in Invision's webverse. Acquiring all the unique suits in this popular game can be a fun challenge, offering many ways to customize your hero. We'll cover the primary methods, from completing quests to finding hidden collectibles, ensuring you know exactly how to expand your wardrobe. There are over 50 distinct suits to collect, each with its own style and sometimes special abilities. Many suits are earned by completing quests given by non-player characters, or NPC. Look for Spider-Man icons on your map to find these quest givers. They might ask you to fetch a certain number of items or defeat a specific amount of opponents. Additionally, trainer hoop missions offer another path to unlock new suits, often requiring you to master movement skills. Beyond quests, exploration is key to finding many suits. Some require you to locate specific collectible items, like 6 Spider-Punk guitars or Deadpool's chimichangas, hidden throughout the city. Time trials found in various locations also reward you with exclusive suits upon successful completion. Always keep an eye out for unusual spots. They often hide special challenges and rare cosmetic items. Some of the most sought-after suits are obtained through special means. For instance, joining the official Invision Games group can grant you access to a unique group suit. Other premium suits may require purchasing game passes or spending in-game currency. Keep an eye on announcements for limited-time events, as these often introduce exclusive suits that are only available for a short period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.